school life of Annie. As we know that she was not much of a child, free child. She was a little bit introvert. Introvert means what do you know? One who keeps, one who keeps one's thoughts to him or herself is called introvert. Him or herself. So some people do not disclose, so don't open up their heart. They are called introvert. Some people they open up. They are called extrovert. Opposite is extrovert. EXTROVERT. Introvert, extrovert. One who tells everything. Some people know whatever happens, no, they tell frankly to others. They do not hide anything. They are called extrovert. Whereas some people they keep their thoughts to himself or herself. They are called introvert. So Annie was much of a introvert character. And second thing is that she was not able to make friends, close friends. Why? Because if you want to make a close friend, you have to confide all the intimate details. She was a private person. She does not want to tell about close things about herself to others. So she was not able to make a good friend. Two reasons were there. So in this situation, how was her school life? It must be an interesting part. Okay. Write down this extrovert and introvert. I have written, you please write down. It is additional knowledge. You know, language is like ocean. The more we read, the more we come to know. No end to language. So new words are coming up. So you please write down. Introvert, extrovert. Okay. Shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
Oh, done. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now her school life. So in the school, our dearest Kitty. So Kitty is the address to her diary because as I told you beforehand, there was no living person called Kitty. She assumes Kitty as a living person which was none than her diary. Our entire class is quaking in its boots. So quaking in the boots, shaking with fear. Quaking in the boots, shaking in fear. Shaking or trembling with fear. This is the phrase. So why? Because the reason, of course, is the forthcoming meeting in which the teachers decide who will move up to the next form and who will be kept back. That is the result. Promotion. Everyone becomes afraid hearing the name of result because we don't know whether we will pass or fail. So who will be promoted to next class and who will continue in the next class? That was the day. So entire class was afraid. Half the class is making bets. Bets means putting money. That's so bet. I bet so and so will pass. I bet so and so will get 100%, 90%. We are putting money on challenge. That is called a bet. So everyone was putting bet. Okay. Half of the class is making bets. GN and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us. Silly means for the small things. Silly. So they were all laughing it out. Okay. So the author and her friend were laughing at a silly thing. Two boys behind us, CN and Jacques, who have staked their entire holiday savings on their bet. Why they were laughing? The reason is that two boys were there. One was Mr. CN and other one is Jacques. So who staked? Staked means put. are endangered. Because once you put in the bet, no, if you win, okay. If you lose, all the money is gone. Why they were laughing? Because all their holiday savings they have put in the bet. From morning to night, it is you are going to pass. No, I am not. Yes, you are. No, I am not. Even these and pleading glances and my angry outbursts cannot calm them down. So they are going on telling the negative and positive things. One is telling you will pass. Other one is telling no, I am not. So lack of self-confidence. They didn't know exactly whether they will pass or fail, but they were putting money on each other's name. So even the author became angry and his friend did not like, but that made no difference to them. They went on talking like this. Okay, if you ask me, there are so many dummies that about a quarter of the class should be kept back. Dummies means foolish fellows. DUMM. So many foolish children were there. So one quarter, 1/4 should fail. 1/4 of the class, they were not up to mark, only 3/4 were up to mark. So they thought that 3/4 will pass, but 1/4 should fail. That was the idea because 1/4 children, they were not good in studies. Okay. So should be kept back. If you do proper correction, so many children will fail. Why? Because nowadays education has become open for everybody. No entrance. In private schools, what they are doing, they are doing the entrance and taking the best children. And they are showing good result. But in other schools, there is no choice. Whoever comes, you have to admit. So in that class also, irrespective of the standard, 1/4 should stay back. The author is telling 3/4 are only eligible to pass. 1/4 should stay back. Should stay back means should be failed. That is the assumption of the author. Okay. But teachers are the most unpredictable. Unpredictable means we can't say what will happen next. It's called unpredictable. Predictable means we know. Unpredictable, we do not know. We do not know what will happen next. In that situation, it is called unpredictable. Predict means to tell about future. Unpredictable means which cannot be told. So teachers, according to Annie, are most unpredictable. Why? Today they will give you full mark. Next day they will give you 0. That was her thinking. Okay, thinking of Annie was like that. Okay, that the teachers are most unpredictable creatures, so we cannot say what will happen next. I am not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. We will make it. The only subject I am not sure about is maths. So she was only poor in maths. Because you know, maths is such a subject. If you understand, it is damn easy. If you don't understand, it was always like Greek or Latin to you. You cannot make it out. Okay. So she was always talking in the math class. So she was given the title and to write one essay about chatterbox. So she was told to write one essay about. The teacher was very clever. He did not scold, did not make her stand on the bench, but told that you have to write one essay on Mr. Chatterbox. Okay. A chatterbox, what can you write about that? So what will you write if you are given the essay? A chatterbox means who goes on talking always. is called a chatterbox. The teacher gave her because he was annoyed with me for ages because I talked so much. Ages means all the time. Why? Annoyed means angry or dislike. Annoyed. Dislike. Angry. Angry or dislike it is called. So the teacher told her that you have to write one essay on a chatterbox. Okay. So the teacher warned. She didn't listen. So the teacher gave her one assignment that you have to write on one essay on the subject a chatterbox. Okay. I would worry about that letter. I decided I jotted down the title in my notebook. Jotted means wrote down. Jotted down. So she wrote down the title and continued. Talked it by bag and tried to keep quiet. So it was a difficult task, but she wrote somehow and talked in her bag. Okay. So we will continue next period. Some questions I will put. You please try to solve them. It will help you to understand the text. Answers you notebook you write. One was that why the entire class was quacking in its boots. Quaking. Okay, number 2. Why half of the class were betting? Betting. Why they were putting bet is betting. 3. Who was given the assignment on chatterbox and why? Okay, these 3 you write in notebook. Okay. Any doubt is there, you post. Are you writing? You write down, we will rub them.
No doubt, sir.
You please note
Yes,
down
sir.
for questions I will write.
Okay, sir. Noted, sir.
Okay, I am waiting. Why the entire class was quaking in its boots? Why half of the class were betting? Who was given the assignment on chatterbox and why?
Sir, done.
Written.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you see that she was afraid of maths. So generally, if you are afraid of the one subject, You will be afraid of the teacher also. So Mr. Foggy was the math teacher who was a old conservative teacher. Means I was telling you the meaning of conservative. Earlier teachers were all not friendly with children. They were all maintaining distance and they used to punish. Nowadays punishment has gone. No punishment. Teachers have become friendly and they are giving more value to the children and they are giving chance to the children to speak. Earlier teacher only will speak, children will listen. Now teachers are giving the chance to the students. The method has changed. So teachers have become student friendly. So the situation changed. But their math teacher was not like that. He was a very strict and very old traditional teacher. Whatever he told, you have to obey blindly without questioning. If you question, punishment. That was the thinking of the math teacher. So the problem with Annie was that she used to talk more in the class. So the math teacher has given her one assignment to write one essay on chatterbox. Chatterbox means one who goes on talking day and night. It's called a chatterbox. So he told you write one assignment. This is your assignment. You have to write one essay on chatterbox. Then I will give you marks. You see how impossible it is. But Annie was very smart. She wrote the assignment and gave to the teacher promptly. So in this way, the teacher also became happy. So if you somebody is giving you something, telling you something, if you say no, the person will be angry. You do in any other way, but don't say no. You try to complete within time and submit. So let the writing be third class also, it will be appreciated because you didn't object. If you object, you are a brilliant child also. If you object to write no, it will be taken negatively. That is also an art, tactfulness, how to learn management. It is a trick not to say no. Don't say no, do it and submit on time. Even it is the worst, people will appreciate it because you did not say no, you obeyed them. You obeyed them. That is the great satisfaction of the people, not about the work. So Annie proved it because she was told to write one assignment on chatterbox. She wrote and submitted on time. So the teacher became very happy. So he was a very angry person, very strict and old and conservative. But that person also was happy on Annie on account of her sincerity and loyalty. Sincerity and loyalty. Remember. Okay. So anything more you want to have any doubt, you tell me. Okay, old forget.
No doubt, sir.
So the mathematics teacher was Mr. Kissing. Okay, he was the math teacher. The math teacher, chatterbox. It is a phrase used to for somebody who talks always. Is called a chatterbox. So she learnt a lesson not to make her teachers angry. So she knew the art how to make the teachers happy, and she won also because she submitted on time. The teacher did not say anything. Okay, till here today. We will continue tomorrow if I get chance. Okay. Then
Okay.
about text question answers, many things are there. We will discuss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So when is English? Thank you, Anushika. When is English exam?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. All the
Sir,
best.
tomorrow, yeah. Tomorrow.
All the best for your exam. Chapters are told, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.